Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Today, we're diving into MoodSpace, an innovative platform designed to help you understand and manage your emotional well-being. Found at https://moodspace.com, this online resource provides a variety of tools and techniques to navigate the complexities of your feelings. MoodSpace offers a personalized experience, empowering you to take control of your mental health journey. Whether you're grappling with everyday stress or navigating more challenging emotional landscapes, MoodSpace equips you with the resources you need to thrive. The platform's interactive features and evidence-based approaches make it a valuable asset for anyone seeking to enhance their emotional intelligence and cultivate a greater sense of self-awareness. MoodSpace recognizes that mental health is a continuous journey, not a destination, and offers ongoing support and guidance to help you build resilience and maintain emotional balance. Explore the various resources available on MoodSpace, including mood tracking, personalized insights, and practical strategies for managing stress, anxiety, and other emotional challenges. Discover how MoodSpace can help you unlock your emotional potential and live a more fulfilling life. By understanding your moods and their underlying causes, you can develop coping mechanisms and make informed decisions that support your overall well-being. MoodSpace is more than just a website, it's a companion on your journey towards emotional wellness, providing valuable tools and a supportive community to help you navigate the ups and downs of life. Don't hesitate to visit https://moodspace.com and begin your journey towards a healthier, happier you. This platform provides a truly unique approach to emotional well-being, incorporating both cutting-edge technology and established psychological principles. Take the first step towards understanding and managing your emotions with MoodSpace, and unlock the power of emotional intelligence. Remember, prioritizing your mental health is an investment in yourself and your future. MoodSpace is here to help you every step of the way.